Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Culture Carton. If you're not familiar with this monthly men's subscription box, this is a lifestyle box for men. It includes one book and some lifestyle items. Boxes are $45. I do have a 20% off coupon code for you guys to use, and that is TREE. I say it's $45. You can additionally opt for just the book for $16 or just the lifestyle items for $35. We're gonna get in here. I kind of peeked in here because I was on the phone when I was taking my first glimpse images, but I didn't peek too much. So here's my inserts. This lists each of the items in the box along with their retail values. We'll kind of go over this at the end of the video. And then if you're interested in checking out my review on my blog, I'm going to link to that below. We'll do a price analysis. We'll do it in this video too because it's all right here. And we'll take, beautiful pictures and all that good stuff. All right. First up, I see an item from Kiwi Co Leather, who includes their products in this box a lot. They have really fabulous items. So you open it up, it's a wallet. So this is pretty big for a wallet. And it's a bifold. So what I find interesting is that they have like a flannel material here. You can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. It's beautiful. I might actually. No, I don't really use a wallet, but I'll pass this off to somebody as a gift. That's what I'll do. But it has the Kiwi Co stamp in here. You do have 1, 2, 3 pockets on each side. One has a Kiwi Co card in it. And then you do have your little area here for Cash Money Millionaires. And then it comes in this cool box. So if you get this and maybe you are happy with your wallet, you can always gift it to somebody. And then we'll look at the value of it then at the end, but not right now. All right, next up we have, this is from Salt and Stone. This is, eucalyptus and bergamot deodorant natural. So it's a natural deodorant. You guys know I love to, I actually have been working for quite a long time on an all natural deodorant review. Kind of not timely anymore because the trend has passed. I mean, it's been here, it's done. But I keep amassing more. I want to include that. So I love the packaging is super oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this is nice. So it's a clear. See that? Oh, it smells really good. Very beautiful. I like it a lot. So anyway, put that on. I love the color of the packaging. It's natural, feels clean, apothecarian, as I say. That's one of my words. So formula number 2, a natural deodorant formulated for all skin types. This clear formula glides on completely residue-free, leaving no stains. Hyaluronic acid conditions and moisturizes the skin, while probiotics help neutralize odor. It has bio-based propylene glycol. What is their... I'm trying to find... They use tapioca starch. Let's see here. It is really all natural good ingredients, which I kind of love. And this is made in the UK. I've never heard of this brand. It's a new to me brand. I'm going to try that. I'm keeping it. That's for me. All right. Next up, this keychain. A leather keychain. Just a simple keychain. I will definitely use that because I am losing my key fob recently. I don't know why. It just falls off. I'm like, why? Because I mess with it. All right, moving along here. Last item, our book for the month. This is T.C. Boyle's The Terranauts, a novel. Never heard of this. Looks like an alien type. An epic story of science, society, sex, and survival from one of the greatest American novelists today. It is 1994, and a grand experiment involving the future of humanity is underway in the Arizona desert. As climate change threatens the earth, 4 men and 4 women, scientists dubbed the Terranauts, have been selected to live under glass in E2, a prototype of a possible off-Earth colony with 5 biomes. This sounds actually really cool. Closely monitored by an all-seeing mission control, this new Eden is both scientific project and publicity stunt for an eco-visionary nicknamed GC, or God the Creator. In addition to their roles as medics, farmers, biologists, and survivalists, the Terranauts face increased scrutiny and a host of disasters, both natural and of their own making, told through 3 distinct narratives. Dawn Chapman, the mission's pretty young ecologist, Linda Ryu, her bitter, scheming best friend, passed over for E2, and Ramsey Ruthorpe, E2's sexually irrepressible wild man. The Terranauts bring to life an electrifying, pressured world in which connected lives are uncontrollably pushed to the breaking point. So one of the quotes here says, eerily timely, despite being set over 20 years ago, even more resonant in Boyle's witty yet poignant exploration of our attachment to the chunk of rock we call home. It almost sounds like if you've ever read Brave New World, a prequel to how Brave New World would begin. how they'd end up in Brave New World, that setting, that kind of futuristic puff powdered over sauced society. Anyway, let's go to brass tacks here. All right, so the Terranauts, $17. The Kiwi Co leather dual textured wallet is $65. That is obviously all leather. I believe their products are like handmade and stuff like that. The Salt and Stone deodorant is $18 and the keychain is $10. So the total retail value of this box is $110. So that's everything that I received in my box. I love this box even as a girl. Like, I still think it's great. So definitely a great gift idea for Dad for Father's Day, because it's coming. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.